Hey everyone! Ever wish you could paint with words? Imagine this. You describe a scene in detail, and seconds later, it comes to life as a vivid image. No camera, no paintbrush, just the power of well-chosen words. Sounds like magic, right? Well, with AI Wize's prompt-based image generation, this isn't just a fantasy, it's reality. In today's digital-first world, being able to conjure up visuals from mere words opens up endless creative possibilities. Whether you're a marketer, a designer, or an artist, mastering the skill can elevate your creativity to new heights. So, why do prompting skills matter so much in the age of AI? Words have always been powerful, but in AI assisted design, they're transformative. Did you know that a well crafted prompt can improve the quality of AI generated images by up to 50%? That's massive. It means saving time, reducing revisions, and delivering content that aligns closely with your vision. Here's why prompting is essential. First, it boosts efficiency. You can get closer to your ideal result on the first try, saving you time and energy. Next, it enhances creativity. You can experiment with styles, tones, and moods you might not have explored otherwise. And finally, it offers customization. Each prompt refines the AI's output, allowing you to create unique visuals tailored to your project. Now, let's dive into how you can master the craft of creating effective AI prompts with AI Wize. Creating effective prompts is both an art and a science. Here are some steps to turn your words into stunning images. First, start with a clear vision. Think about the idea you want to bring to life and consider the elements that will make it unique. Be specific in your prompt. The AI responds more accurately to detailed descriptions. For example, instead of saying, create an image of a forest, try saying, generate a misty forest at dawn, with rays of sunlight filtering through tall pine trees and a soft glow illuminating the fog. See the difference? Next, incorporate style and mood. Are you going for a dreamy, surreal look or a realistic scene? Adding descriptive language about the style and mood can guide the AI to match your intended vibe. For instance, you could say, generate an abstract, vibrant cityscape in the style of watercolor, with warm hues and a lively, bustling atmosphere. This level of detail ensures the AI captures not just the content, but the essence of your vision. Now, let's talk about experimenting and refining. One of the great things about AI Wize is that you can tweak and refine prompts to get closer to the image in your mind. Each revision teaches you more about how the AI interprets your words. Pro tip: don't settle for the first output. Adjust your prompt to test different visual elements until the image aligns with your expectations. Let me share a real life example. Meet Zoe, a small business owner who wanted unique, nature inspired images for her eco friendly skincare brand's Instagram page. She didn't have the budget for a professional photographer, so she decided to try AI Wize's image generation feature. Her initial prompt, a beautiful natural landscape, was too vague. So she refined it to a serene meadow with wildflowers under a warm golden sunset, conveying a sense of peace and connection with nature. This revised prompt produced a captivating image that resonated with her brand's aesthetic. As Zoe began using AI generated images that perfectly aligned with her brand's message, her engagement on social media grew. Her mastery of prompt crafting became a core part of her content strategy, and her followers loved the unique, cohesive visuals. Are you ready for a quick guide to creating powerful prompts with AI Wize? Here it is. First, be specific with descriptions. Include details like colors, lighting, and specific objects to paint a vivid picture in words. Next, define the mood. Use adjectives that convey the emotion or atmosphere you want, like calm, vibrant, or mysterious. Then, explore different styles. Experiment with styles like watercolor, abstract, or realistic to see which best fits your vision. Finally, iterate and adjust. If the first attempt isn't perfect, tweak your prompt and try again. Adjusting elements like color schemes or settings can bring you closer to the desired result. The future of visual content creation starts with the right words. The skill of crafting effective prompts is quickly becoming a valuable tool for designers, marketers, and creatives alike. By mastering this art, you're not just generating images, you're shaping your brand's visual language, creating impactful visuals that resonate with your audience. Whether you're building a brand or expressing a unique vision, AI Wize empowers you to create with confidence and ease. So, are you ready to bring your words to life? Head over to AIWise.com and start experimenting with AI powered visuals today. Your imagination is the only limit. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on unleashing your creativity with AI. And drop a comment below. What types of prompts would you like to learn about or explore in future videos? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.